where you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry Seeth, King of Philippine Business.
What's up, all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscriber. And today is another video vlog revival that we will do. Vlog special with your Ninong. And for our education, for entertainment, and fun, and for entertainment, we are continuing and reviving the vlog legacy of Mr. Del Nablas or Matter. At ang title ng vlog natin today is Batang Sining sa ating makabagong henerasyon part 3. So this is something part 3 that in the part 1 that we do is something arts, something cultural, and then in the part 2 that we do is in the museum, the part of the museum of Mr. Lanstan. And now, in the part 3, ang ating magiging lesson o ang ating mga tutunghayan dito is the great lessons for arts and expanding the cultural and lifestyle of Filipino talent. So, this is something interesting. So, para pa rin tayong nagtitimlay dito sa ating Batang Sining because of course, we are all Batang Sining, discovering and showing you the great discovery of talent and skills, the cultural of our Filipino people, and giving you the great segment of promoting our Philippine pride. So for our Batang Sining activity that we will have, your Ninong goes to Makati, that I discover the Ayala Museum on their arts and cultural. Yung mga painting nila, yung mga history na meron sa Pilipinas na matatagpuan sa ating Ayala Museum. So for the first episode of our Batang Sining Part 3, we will give you the floor for Ayala Museum. Check it out.
here in Ayala Museum ang ating mga painting as we are promoting our Philippine culture, our talents and history that the first Filipino ancestral made through the painting. They are promoting the history, the tourism, and the culture that we have here in the Philippines to promote local, to support local, and for world class also that the international can discover the talent, the history of being a Filipino sa kapatid ng mga Philippines. Konting pahinga muna si Ninong yung after mag-explore. So this is once again the part 3 of Batang Sining sa ating makabagong generation part 3. Ganyan ka na survival vlog special. Yes, we are truly reviving the plan of making cultural, especially dito po ay pinapromote natin yung ating culture of arts. Napakamakulay, napakaganda na ang ating Philippines ay may mga ganitong talent at we are lucky to see those the kind of art that have meaning, the kind of art na may mga simbolo ng nakaraan, diba? That we are also expanding the history and the culture values that they promoted here. So you may visit the Ayala Museum in the Makati City and hanapin nyo lang ang Ayala Museum at madidiscover nyo yung mga magandang painting dito. It's wonderful and fantastic. Para ka rin nagtatravel sa sinaunang panahon. Your imagination also is riding in the past. So, much more on our Batang Sining Part 3 as we will give you some of the slides that you may discover to promote the talent and skill and expanding.
So ngayon naman po, nandito tayo sa Galileo Nicolas. We are discovering those kind of paintings for cultural and for lifestyle. So ito po yung ating mga batang sining, si Kuya Eric Masangkay, na isa sa mga gumawa ng mga ganitong artistic design. And we also have the portrait, yung mga ganitong pang-millennial na design. So para makakita natin sa Facebook. Si Kuya Perfecto Valero Jr. Yan. So yan po. Sobrang design of artists. Ito, pang magjowa. And the people, the friends. So sa labas meron din po siya eh. Ito, ay, pwede pala dito sumasakot na siya. Yan. So ayun po. Ito po yung mga painting na talagang parang literal na gawang painting talaga. Ito, painting na laruan pa. So parang gumawa siya ng artistic na tao na nagpe-painting. Wow! This is made of Mr. Aguilar of 1980. Okay. So parang yun, nagka-canvas. Oh, may electric fan pa. Wow! So, nakikimarita si ate. Anong chika? Share mo na. Oh, ito si ate girl. Oh, si Building. Ang tropa nating bigate. And then, painting. Alright. And bahay. Ganda, diba? Okay. So, upo muna tayo saglit. Okay, after you discover my Makati trip in the Ayala Museum to discover the Great Paris. Now we will discover here the talent portion from Miss Jennifer Ochambillo. It's Showtime Tawag ng Tanghalan 5 times champion, and Moyet Onte 8 times champion in the course of Bulaga, the voice of Tom Jones to perform for a concert live event. This is handled by the Super Live event with the collaboration with the UWWC, and you will also discover here the travel experience of Ninong in Tagaytay in 2013 up to the 2025. So you will check it out.
Kuya Boyet, dito marami po dito. Sabi, libre lang po. Kuha lang po kayo ng picture lang kayo. Sige po, ayan. Click lang. Silver po. Attorney yan lang. Wala po kong pala sila.
I saw the flickering shadows of love
leave you once. We're out of my mind. Tulungan niyo naman ako. Sabay-sabay kayo. Kumanta kayo. One, go!
Ay, Delilah.
Di ba alam niyo lahat?
Share this with me, 'cause darling, without you, all the shine of a thousand spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky would never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold seem too little. This hands could hold the world, but it could never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, this March 31,
bawat sandali, ika'y naaalala. Lagi kong kasama sa may kaba, makapiling ka muli.
Ikaw ba rin ang hinahanap ko?
Gabriel! Kayo po tayo, architect. Palakpakan po natin siya. Rotarian na, Rotarian po. Di ba? Grabe, di ba? And syempre, she is also with tonight, the President of Pasig Chapter ng United Architects of the Philippines, Architect Nino. Puro presidente. Di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo mga ka-UCCW eh. Hindi lang ako.
Ayan! May bubong na! Gawa naman tayo ng pinto. Gumurit na isang malaking rectangle sa harap ng kapot. Hiwain lang yung itaas at isang linis. Tapos mga bintana naman. Gumurit ng apat na maliit na rectangle sa pagkabilang gilid. And then, nakagawa na tayo ng chatbook. Ang gugulo naman ng mga things natin. Gawa kaya tayo ng cut pencil holder. Gagamit tayo ng tubes ng potato snacks. Yes. Gagamit din tayo ng colored paper, scissors, markers, glue, at saka ruler. Una, ipakat na natin to. Kaya magpatulong tayo sa paggamit ng cutter. Kuya Arte, papusin po, please. Thank you po. Ay, wow! Ang bilis ha! Thank you po! Ang gusto na naman, mag-drawing tayo sa colored paper gamit ang ruler na 7 inches, tapos magugulit ulit tayo. Parang ginawa lang natin kanina. Salagyan natin ng line at ikakat. Ayan. Tapos ilagyan na natin siya ng line. Ito. Oh. Straight na. Pwede mo lang overlap yung isa.
Okay, you've just discovered once again my travel experience in Tagaytay. The food was so delicious there, the good environment and the ambience na talagang para ka rin nasa ibang bansa, para kang nasa mountain, parang ibang atmosphere ang datingan, no? It's just like a Baguio and somehow para ka nasa Swiss miss. Hindi yung iniinom, yung puno mismo, yung pinaka. And then a lot of mountain view, a lot of animal, kasi nga nasa Tagaytay tayo. And Tagaytay also is still part of Cavite. Diba? So speaking of Cavite, your Nino is a Caviteño, and of course your GM. And speaking of GM, we will have once again ating vlogger slide for Batang Sining lesson. Okay. So, hindi kompleto ang ating lesson kung wala yung ating legendary vlogger. So, for this moment, we will give you the floor. Minsan pa, ang ating vlogger ganda sa kanyang mga Batang Sining lessons to emphasize us the importance of art of culture of being a Filipino people, and the history and the talent and skills that we need to promote and we need to push. So ano-ano nga bang mga programa at ano-ano yung mga step na ginawa ni JM to emphasize and to give us the lesson on how to become a certified Batang Civil. So we will check it out.
Contest. So, ituturo nila sa ating lahat kung papaano tayo makakasali dito.
Alam mo ate, kaya ngayon mas nintindi ako na kung para sa itong mga pinadala yung gamit. Ano, maaari pa pala natin ito magamit kagaya no sa recyclable art na sinasabi mo, no?
Tamang-tama ka dyan. At ang makakatulong sa atin dito ay si Tito Rowel na Anip. Isa siyang alagad ng sining na gumagamit ng mga recyclable items sa paggawa ng kanyang artwork. Ready na? Excited na? Okay!
Ako ready na ako ate, kaya. Kaya tara na, puntahan na natin si Tito Rowel. Tito Rowel,
yes.
Tao po.
Hello, Tito Rowel! Magandang araw po. Ako po muli si Kaya at kasama ko ngayon si Juan. Kung papaano tayo makakasali dito.
Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na Batang Sining sa ating makabagong Operation Part 3 in learning the great lessons for arts and expanding the cultural and lifestyle of Filipino talents. So, once again, thank you very much sa ating forever visual aid na talagang hanggang ngayon napipil pa rin natin the lessons of every class in this last vlog. Batang Sining, that this is the thing that we continue in promoting the Filipino talents, the lifestyle and cultural in the Philippines, together with your, vlogger and broadcaster. So naway kayo po ay pinatutunan, kayo nag-enjoy sa palatuntunan ito, and tayo po nagpo-promote at pinagpapatuloy natin ang diwa ng isang pagiging Pilipino. Hindi lang naman every August, every September, dapat every day we are promoting and we are expanding ourselves from who we are. Marami man tayong mga lahi, marami man tayong mga napagdadaan ng mga lifestyle, but being a Filipino is always a Filipino. So that's the one of the lesson na discover natin dito sa Batang Sining, that we discovered our hero, our first people na talagang ibinigay kanilang time in life to enhance and to bring us of being a Filipino people. Especially sa talents, cultural, arts, and history. We are here in the Batang Sining. Thank you, and subscribe in TV and watch this on YouTube. And buy this video lang for only 150 and 80 pesos for screen record. So, salamat po. This is once again the Batang Sining sa ating makabagong henerasyon. The Last Five Vlog Special. Thank you and
as long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry Seeth Kingoff, Philippine Business.